All right, let's get into it. Today, we're talking about a problem that, let's be honest, we have all dealt with in this new hybrid world: absolute chaos in the meeting room. We're going to break down a really, really smart update to Google Meet that's designed to make all our meetings, whether we're in the room or dialing in, a whole lot less painful. So think about this for a second. Have you ever walked into a conference room, opened your laptop to join a Google Meet, and realized three other people in the same room were doing the exact same thing?
If you've been there, you know that sound. Oh, you know it. It's that ear-splitting screech of audio feedback, the weird echo where you hear everything twice. It's just pure chaos as everyone frantically tries to find the mute button. It's a mess.
So yeah, let's put a name to this thing: conference room chaos. We're going to start by digging into all those little problems that make hybrid meetings so frustrating.
And really, it is an audio battlefield. You've got those distracting echoes bouncing all over the place. You have that awful, painful feedback squeal that makes you want to rip your headphones off. Then, because of the lag, you have people accidentally talking over each other, and you always have someone asking, "Wait, who is that? Who just joined?" It's just not productive.
But the good news is Google has a really smart solution for this. So now let's talk about how Meet is stepping in to bring a little harmony back to our workspaces. And honestly, this slide says it all. We are moving from the before, which was just total audio mayhem, to the after, which is what they're calling companion mode harmony. It's a simple idea, but it's a huge shift that Google is now making super easy to use. So, what is companion mode? Well, it's been around for a bit, but now it's really getting its moment to shine. Basically, it lets you use your laptop for all the stuff you need it for. Sharing your screen, voting in polls, using the chat, but it cleverly shuts off its own microphone and speakers, so your device becomes a silent partner, letting the main room's audio system do all the work. No more audio fights. Okay, so how does it actually know to do this? It feels a little like magic. So let's pull back the curtain and see the surprisingly simple tech that makes this whole thing work. This part is so cool. It's basically a silent handshake. So first you walk into the room with your laptop, then the Google Meet hardware in the room sends out this ultrasonic signal. It's totally silent to our ears, but your laptop's microphone picks it up. That's how it knows you're in the same room. And then bam, the Use Companion Mode button lights up, guiding you to make the right choice without you even having to think about it. And the result of all this? It's simple. One room, one microphone. The whole system gets on the same page, making sure only one audio source, the main one in the conference room, is actually active. And just like that, all those terrible echo loops are gone. It's so smart. But you know what? This update isn't just about making things sound better. There are some really interesting extra benefits that get unlocked for your team. And here it is, the big bonus: automatic attendance tracking. This might sound like a small thing, but if you've ever had to manage a meeting, you know this is actually a huge deal. So here's how it works. When you join using that special companion mode button, Meet automatically checks you in and marks you as being physically present in that room. Think about what that means. No more passing around a sign-in sheet, no more doing manual roll calls. It makes reporting way easier for admins, and for those really important client meetings or trainings, it gives you a perfect, reliable record of who was actually there. So, okay, we've got better sound and automatic check-ins. Those are great features. But let's zoom out a little bit. Why does a seemingly small update like this actually matter in the real world for your team's productivity? Well, the payoff is pretty clear when you look at it this way. When you have fewer disruptions, you just get more done. Your meetings are more productive. And when the remote folks can actually hear what's going on, they feel more included, more engaged. The whole operation just looks and feels more professional. And of course, you get those reliable records without lifting a finger. These are real, tangible benefits that come from one small tech fix. And this quote from the source material really just hits the nail on the head. Fewer disruptions can make meetings less time-consuming and more productive. I mean, at the end of the day, isn't that what we all want? To save time and get more done? All right, so for our last section, let's make this super practical. Here is a quick checklist to make sure that you and your team are all set up to take advantage of this new feature. It's really just a simple two-step check. First, you have to give the Meet or Gmail app permission to use your microphone on your device. That's the only way it can hear that ultrasonic signal. And second, if for some reason it's not working, you may just need to ask your IT admin to make sure that proximity detection is turned on in the main workspace settings. And that's it. You should be good to go. So when you step back and look at it, this is more than just a tech update. It's a little nudge, pushing us all towards a smarter way of working together. It makes you wonder, right? As our tools get more and more intelligent, how are our own habits and our own meeting rules going to have to evolve right along with them?